Hello and welcome to the game of death. Hello. Today I'm going to introduce challenge number 5 of the game of dev. Yes, because we're playing a hackers game and there are so many hackers challenges going on right now. It's cool. It's really nice. Other hackathons also have Solana challenges. There's a capture the flag that I participated in, and I solved one of 3 challenges already. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff happening. Anyway, we're playing the game of death. That's what we're here for. So, yeah, let's get right into it. Let me just check if the stream is working. Yes, that looks good. Okay. So, because we do want to start with a thing that people might want to just watch when they rewatch this video, because not so many people live in this afternoon. But hey, I'm gonna do this in the afternoon and not at midnight when I'm like already way too tired. So I guess that should be better today. I'm gonna hide down here and we're gonna have a look at this program. There's some imports, blah blah blah. Essentially, the thing is relatively similar to the previous 2 challenges, so challenge 3 and 4, in that we have a native Rust program and there's one entry point, and then we do something, and essentially what we want to get to is this save hacker function, because that does all the magic of essentially creating an account, and once that account is created, then that means your hacker is safe. We had the same thing in challenge 4 and challenge 3, so this is nothing new. Like 50% of the source code of this program is the same as challenge 4. Remember, in challenge 4, let me just quickly go to the GitHub. It's the source code is also published, so that should make it fairly easy. Challenge 4, we had some magic here, and you had to get to 0 deaths in order to save your hacker. And the save hacker function is literally the same, except that we have a different seed for the bomb. Oh, this is very, very small, but we had a different seed here. Now we have challenge 5. Other than that, pretty much the same. We also have a different program, by the way. It's already deployed. It's on mainnet, and the program ID you can find in the description of this video or in the Discord server. Right. So the save hacker function, once you get there, you're pretty much safe. I mean, you need to have passed in the correct accounts, obviously, like your hacker mint, in order to save your hacker. But we learned that in challenge 3. That's why I did the challenge 3, just so you can learn all of that. And so it's the same as in challenge 3, just that you have to get through a different challenge here. And the challenge this time is, well, I just put a password. And you can try and guess the password and put it into the instruction data. All of the instruction data will be parsed as one string. So all of the instruction that you give in, that's just the password. And obviously, I can't, if I compare passwords, I cannot, store the password on like I can't put it in the source code, because then you would see it and that would not be good. But what I can do is I store the hash and I compare the hashes. So essentially all that's happening is I do I think a SHA-256 hash on this string, so on your password, and I know that the correct hash of my password is this. And then I essentially just compare the two. If they're not the same, then I throw an error. This time I made it nicer for you. I actually return an error. So already at the pre-flight check, the transaction will not be sent because the simulation will fail. And that makes it just easier for you to try several passwords quickly without actually sending transactions. So yeah, that's it. There's like a custom a custom error, password mismatch, 0x dead, because yes. Yeah, and that's it. That's it. That's the whole challenge. Now, obviously, you kind of have to find out my password. Gotta hack this. And I won't tell you more. I will just tell you that it is possible. Somebody already did it. Yeah. Yeah, that's challenge 5. Source code is available on my GitHub right here. So that's the same thing. It is deployed on mainnet. And yeah, that's that. Now that I introduced challenge number 5. By the way, challenge number 4, this one, you still have 2 days because somebody requested an extension for this. So I give you 2 more days. So I have 2 days and 6.5 hours until the challenge has to be complete, and your hacker will die if you don't complete the challenge for it. By the way, you can still mint new hackers if yours dies. There are still some left to mint if you continue with challenge 0. If we go to our nice list of challenges somewhere, then you can see challenge number 0, mint yourself a hacker. Just mint another one here at the CandyMachine. Disclaimer though, you have to pay 1 sol this time, because I don't want people to just mint new hackers instead of doing the challenges. Anyway, challenge 5, it's already online. Can do it. You can do it! Now, I also finally finished the killing script, which means that some of your hackers died. Finally, I finally killed them. Because again. And it looks like this. You now have the tombstone as a picture, and the metadata itself has 2 attributes: joined in and died in. So I put the challenge where you joined. So if you mint late, then that will be in this trade that you joined not in challenge 0 but later, and died in challenge. So this particular hacker didn't do challenge 3 or didn't manage, so they died in challenge 3. So that will be the attributes for this. By the way, some of the explorers and also wallets are slow in updating. For instance, my wallet here does not show me my attributes of this yet, even though also the the Sol scan doesn't show that I have attributes here. It shows the old metadata, but if I actually go there, then I can see that the attributes have been updated and my joined in is challenge 0. Here you go. Data, raw data. Yeah, but anyway, so go to the actual Shadow Drive link to see if you died or not, or wait a day and they will update, hopefully eventually. This one it updated for some reason, but yeah. All right. So that's I did the killing. The challenge 4 is still going for 2 days, and challenge 5 is deployed, and you can already start hacking it. Think that's all I have for you today. Let's see if there is anybody online. Yeah, people are online watching me. Hello, good evening. How are you doing? Do you have any questions to the game of Dev or any other things that I do or could potentially know about? If so, put them in the chat right now and we can discuss that. Otherwise, I'm gonna, go back to my regularly scheduled Sunday afternoon Twitter scrolling or whatever it is I'm gonna do, or just bouncing on my bouncy ball. Bounce, 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 bounce. If you happen to be in Graz, which is unlikely, but if you happen to be in Graz tomorrow, I'll play a show with my loop station, and you can come over to Hops at 8 p.m. That would be fun. But again, I have a very international audience. I don't think anybody is from Austria even. So yeah, since I do not get any comments, I guess we're gonna end it here. I wish you good luck with challenge number 5, and I'm looking forward to coming up with challenge number 6. Oh yeah, you have 2 more weeks for challenge number 5. So as we usually do, you have 2 weeks of time to complete it. Yes, that's it. That's all for today. Check out my other videos that I do about the Solana dev course, and maybe also a shout out to the Lampert DAO hackathon, which has pretty cool workshops and stuff. And also, wait, where is it? Autosec has a cool challenge. I mean, it has already been hacked by someone, but that guy doesn't even know what he did. He just repeated what he found on DevNet. So where is that now? Here. No. This one. This. There's another challenge if you like the hacking. But this is definitely more difficult. I tried it, and I kind of see what's happening there, but since I don't find the source code, and people are being super cryptic about where I can find the source code, it's, tough. Anyway, so this one should definitely be easier. If you just have a wrong guess, I mean, you try again until you nailed it. Easy. Easy, easy. And see you for challenge 6 or other videos. Till then, bye-bye. That's so classic.